Capital is always moving. It moves between countries, industries, currencies, resources, and financial markets. At Golden Ridge Solution, we believe understanding that movement can reveal more than watching prices in isolation. Consider an increase in energy costs. It may begin in one market, but the effects can spread. Transportation becomes more expensive. Manufacturing costs change. Inflation expectations adjust. Consumers reconsider spending. Governments and central banks may respond. Investors then reposition capital according to what they believe will happen next. One development creates a chain of reactions. That is why we look beyond the first price movement. We begin with the event. What changed, and which part of the financial system was affected first? Then we study the connections. Which sectors, regions, currencies, or assets may experience the next effect? Finally, we examine the response. Is capital moving toward growth, security, liquidity, or a different opportunity? Golden Ridge Solution helps us organize this process through structured insights, improved analytical tools, streamlined navigation, and access to thousands of financial instruments across global markets. The objective is not to react to every headline. It is to understand how information travels through the system. When we can see those relationships, individual price movements become part of a larger picture. Market activity becomes easier to interpret, and uncertainty becomes easier to organize. Global finance is not a collection of separate events. It is a connected network of decisions, expectations, and changing priorities. At Golden Ridge Solution, we follow the movement, study the connections, and turn global complexity into a clearer financial perspective. Golden Ridge Solution. Discover the dynamics of global finance.